It's a question on many people's minds. If you get COVID-19 and recover, are you now immune? And if so, for how long? A team of local scientists is trying to answer those exact questions. I spoke to the lead researcher who breaks down the fascinating and important study.
A race to understand COVID-19 in many ways. One way is how it affects you after you recover from it. How immune will we be? Will it last as long as the flu, where we can get an annual vaccine? Or is it like the chicken pox, which we usually only get once in our lifetime? UT Health San Antonio Dr. Evelyn Bunnick's goal is to figure out where COVID-19 falls on the spectrum.
Those kind of questions are really important also to know for vaccine development. Like, how long will a vaccine be protective, and do people need booster shots at some point?
So let's break this down. On the outside of the virus are spikes that Dr. Bunnick says are just like keys. The keys need to lock into a healthy human cell and bind to it. Then the virus gets inside that cell, allowing it to spread. To fight that, your immune system forms antibodies that hook on to the end of the keys so they can no longer lock into your cells.
Dr. Bunnick and her team are studying these antibodies in two unique ways.
We're looking at what we call longitudinal responses. So we try to follow people over the course of a year or even longer to see what happens with their antibody levels and their antibody responses.
The second distinguishing factor, the mice they're using for the tests. Dr. Bunnick's colleagues have a group of testing mice whose immune systems have been altered to work identical to humans. It's called a humanized mouse.
You're working on a study that the entire world needs. How does that feel to be doing that right now?
It's very exciting, and it really makes me feel like I'm part of something bigger.
And she is. Right now, large pharmaceutical companies are pouring billions of dollars into the race to create the very first vaccine. Dr. Bunnick's study will take a little longer than that. Her ultimate goal is to use her results to make an even better and stronger vaccine down the line. Meanwhile, recovered COVID-19 patients can now donate plasma at South Texas Blood and Tissue Centers. The center is participating in an FDA program studying convalescent plasma. Researchers believe that the antibodies in the plasma of someone who has fended off the virus can help develop a potential treatment. Recovered patients need a confirmed diagnosis and must be completely free of symptoms. If you can help, email the center at COVID-19 at southtexasblood.org.